I am going to demonstrate two ways to access courses on our online school. I'm going to be using Virtual Business School as an example, but this applies to whichever of our online schools you have been given access to. Okay, let me just go ahead and demonstrate the process. Okay, so this is Virtual Business School, and you can just visit the address given to you, and then you can see featured courses. So the general way to enroll in a course or to access a course is by looking at the course you want and then you click enroll. Okay, or you can go to more courses and you see all of the courses on the platform, and then you enroll in the course that you want. Just follow the process. In some cases, you will have a promo code or a coupon code. Just apply that code before you check out and you will get access to your course. But there are two kinds of courses, primarily in terms of the enrollment process or the enrollment window. Now you can see here, for example, under this course, enrollment closes on October 10, 2025, 11:30 p.m. That's because this course is cohort-based. They are cohort-based courses that we only grant access for a particular period. For reference, I'm making this tutorial on October 5, 2025, and this program is starting on October 6th. It will run from October 6th to October 10, 2025. It's specifically at this time, this course is only for those that are registered for our remote work bootcamp. Okay, this is you can find out about remote work bootcamp here. Okay, so everybody that has enrolled in remote work bootcamp or registered for remote work bootcamp, it's a 5-day program. Okay, so we have this course for them. So they take the course daily, okay, for 5 days, over a period of 5 days. And we also have live sessions and a number of other things. So if you have enrolled in this remote work bootcamp, you have already been given access to this course. You see, we haven't started yet. Okay, no reviews yet, nothing. We haven't started at the time of making this tutorial, but we're starting on October 6th. That's this cohort that I'm recording this video for, but this also applies subsequently. I just want you to understand how it works. Okay, so you can just go directly to the course. You can click it here. If you click it here, or if you have received an email, you would have a link that leads directly to the course. So this is it. Now, for those that just want to enroll, if you are just enrolling, you haven't registered for remote work bootcamp and you want to have access to the course, you can still enroll while the window is open. But there are courses that you can enroll in at any time also. If you want, you can enroll in some courses at any time. But this is specifically for those that are registered for remote work bootcamp, and it also applies to any other course that you have been given access to. Once you've been given access to a course on our online school, the process I want to demonstrate now is how to access the course. Okay, so two things. There are those that just want to enroll on their own, just come to the course you want and click enroll now. Then there are those that have been granted access and want to access the course that they already have access to. You understand? You want to start taking the course you've already been given access to. Okay, so your own process is different. That's what I want to demonstrate now. And this process I'm demonstrating now also applies to you if you have enrolled in a course before on the online school and you don't remember how to access the courses. So just come to the school and click on dashboard. Okay, go to dashboard, or you can go to the address I've given to you if you have already been given a link to the address. Okay, so just here, click on forgot password. So once you go to dashboard and you click forgot password, enter the email address that you used to register for the program. For those of you that registered for remote work bootcamp, you should have received login details by email, but sometimes you may not get it for various reasons. So just come to dashboard, okay, and enter the email address that you used to register for the program. Okay, and like I said, this applies to any program you've registered for. Once you register for a program and you have been given access to certain courses or a course, this is the process. So to make sure that we have not lost anyone, so I will just go over that again. Go to virtualmentor.com.ng/dashboard. virtualmentor.com.ng/dashboard and enter the email address that you used to register. So in my case, okay, go to forgot password. If you don't have your login details, okay, if you have your login details, just enter your username or email address and password and sign in. But if you have just been given access to the course and you did not receive the login details or you don't have the login details, just call me at virtualmentor.com.ng/dashboard and click forgot password. Once you click forgot password, enter the same email address. Make sure it's the same email address that you registered with. In my own case, I will put philip@philipamiola.org. Then I'll click reset password. So you will receive an email with a password reset link. So you just use that link to reset your password, then come back to dashboard and log in. Once you log in, you will find that you already have access to the course. Okay, you can use to check your email. We've sent an email to this account email address and all of that. Now, you may not find the email in your inbox. Sometimes it could be in your spam folder. If it's in your spam folder, just check everywhere so that you'll be sure that you have the email. Okay, so this is my own email. I'll refresh. This is the philip@philipamiola.org email. So I want to refresh to see the new email that has been sent. Okay, this is it. Can you see password reset request for virtual business school? So you find an email like this. So just click here to reset your password. Can you see? So this is it. In this case, I'm not going to click this yet. Because I want to show you what it might look like in Gmail, since a lot of people use Gmail. So I will access the same email from my Gmail account. It's connected to my Gmail account, so I'll just go here. Now, if you are not using a webmail account, this does not apply to you, but I just want to demonstrate it so that regardless of the kind of email you are using, everybody will be able to get the entire process. Okay, you see one mail fetch. So if I go to my inbox now, I'll find that email. So this is it. So if you are using Gmail, this is how it will come out. In my own case, it is marked as important because I've already configured it to I've already configured Gmail to mark mails to ensure that mails from virtual business school enter my inbox. But in your own case, it may not be in your inbox. If it's not in your inbox, if you check and you can't find it in your inbox, go to your promotions, go to spam folder also. Make sure you check everywhere, or you can simply just search for. Usually, it will come from this address. Okay, so for those of you, or you can just search for password reset. Okay, that's easier. So if you don't find it in your inbox, check your promotions folder, check your updates folder, check your spam folder. If you don't find it, just search for password reset request. So you will find it. So now I'll click this and reset my password. Okay, so I'll just pick a new password. Okay, reset password. That's all. So once you have done this, you can now log in with the password you chose. Make sure you remember the password that you wrote. So once you have done that, you have access. You see now it's taking me to the dashboard already directly. Can you see? Okay, so I'm not going to update this now. Okay, so can you see now? So you see that this course is there, then other courses that have been enrolled in before are also there. So once you log in, you find the courses. So just pick the course that you want to take and you can continue with that, or you can come to enrolled courses just in case if you go to your dashboard and you don't find it, come to enrolled courses. Okay, under enrolled courses you will see the courses you are enrolled in, and you see that here you can't find enroll now anymore. You don't need to pay, you don't need to enroll all over again. Just click start learning or just click on the course and you will find that you have access already. So that's the process. So can you say, so this is once you finish a lesson, you mark as complete and then you move to the next. Okay, it's very simple and straightforward. So that's the process of accessing courses. So you just go to the dashboard, request a password reset. Then once you have reset your password, you log in. So I'm going to log out now, and then the next time that you need to log in, you don't need to go through this process again. Just enter your username or email and your password, and you'll be able to log in. So if I log out now, for example, and I want to log in again, I'll just enter my email and password, and I'll be able to log in. Okay, so this is it. So now I'll just enter the email. You can also use your username. It's easier to just remember your email. Okay, then I will enter the password that I just reset. If you like, you can check this, keep me signed in. It will keep you signed in for a while. So can you see? So this is it. So now let me save the password. So now I've saved the password. I don't need to enter it all the time. The next time I want to log in, it will just come up and I will access it. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. You can simply send a message via our contact form. You can go to digitalvineyard.uk/ask, or you can go to virtualmentor.com.ng/contact. Thank you.